Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, we will talk about the easy scalping strategy. But before we start, you can click subscribe button below, and you will get notification when we upload a new video. You can join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. Now, let's get started. What is scalping trading? According to Investopedia, scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and making a fast profit off reselling. In day trading, scalping is a term for a strategy to prioritize making high volumes off small profits. Scalping strategy targets minor changes in intraday stock price movement, frequently entering and exiting throughout the trading session to build profits. In this video, we will use scalping trading indicator called tonyux EMA Scalper Indicator. First, let's install this indicator. How to install the indicator? We are using TradingView to use this indicator. You can click link in description below and sign up for a free TradingView account. Now, go to product and you will see the market chart, click on it. Choose a currency pair and set the time frame to 5 minutes. Click on Indicator, search for tonyux Scalper. Click on it. Next, click on Indicator, search for Exponential Moving Average. Click on it. Now you can see the exponential moving average on your chart. Click on Setting, set the input length to 200. Your chart will look like this. After that, I will explain how to use this scalping strategy. How to use tonyux Scalper Indicator. We will look for the tonyux Scalper Indicator and 200 period EMA. When the price is above 200 period EMA and the tonyux Scalper give a buy signal, go for buy or long transaction. When the price is below the 200 period EMA and the tonyux Scalper give a sell signal, go for sell transaction. Now I will give you some examples. Now you can see in the chart. The price is above 200 period EMA and the tonyux Scalper gives the buy signal. You can go for buy or long transaction. Set the stop loss to the last low of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see the result of our setup. This setup hit the take profit. Now you can see in the chart. The price is below 200 period EMA, and the tonyux Scalper give the sell signal. You can go for sell or short transaction. Set the stop loss to the last high of the market. Set the take profit 1.5 times, so we are using 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Let's see the result of our setup. This setup hit the take profit. Backtesting Scalping Strategy. Now let's test the tonyux scalper indicator for 100 times trade. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio, with 2% of risk for single trade. If we lose, we will lose $20. And if it profit, we will get $30. We will start to use 2% risk for single trade for better account growth. We will do the test on Euro USD with 5-minute time frame. You can see on your screen when I am doing the backtest with this indicator. Let's move on to the result when I am done backtesting this indicator for 100 times. Backtesting result. Before we discuss about the result, please support this video by giving like and subscribing to this channel. That will keep me motivated to create free education for you. Now, we can see the result of the easy scalping strategy. The tonyux scalper indicator and 200 period moving average has 52 profit trade and 48 loss trade. It means on 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, the tonyux scalper indicator has 52% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 4 trade in a row and the consecutive loss is 4 in a row. The account start from $1,000 and end up at $1,600 with 60% account growth. Conclusion. Now we want to tell you the conclusion of this indicator. This indicator is one of the easiest scalping strategy you can try. It can make your account grow 60% with only 2% risk for every trade. You can chat my Telegram below if you have question about this trading strategy or what broker I use to do the scalping. So that's all about the easy simple scalping strategy. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel so we can develop in the future. We are on Simple Trade Club. Create this video is for education purposes only and not a financial advice for you. We are not responsible for any profit or loss you had when using this trading strategy. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel so you can get free education like ebook or trading signals for free. See you in the next video.